If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass 80th Special Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 65158.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.